Kristy, one of the infant feeding midwives at the Trust. Here's how to make a bottle of formula milk up for your baby. Firstly, clean your surfaces and wash your hands. Then, empty your kettle and add 1 litre of fresh tap water and boil it. Do not use water that has been previously boiled, and bottled water is not recommended for making up feeds. It needs to be at least 1 litre or the water will cool too fast. Let the water cool in the kettle for between 15 to 20 minutes and no longer than 30 minutes. This will ensure the water is approximately 70 degrees. Now use a clean sterilised bottle. Add the water to the bottle first, followed by the powder. Always add level scoops, never heaped. Follow the manufacturer's instructions and only put the suggested amount of scoops in the bottle. Never over or under dilute the powder, as this can be dangerous. Place the cap on top of the bottle, being careful not to contaminate any of the equipment. Give the bottle a good shake so that the powder dissolves. It is really important to cool the formula so it is not too hot for baby to drink. Cool the formula by holding the bottom half of the bottle under cold running water. Test the temperature of the formula on the inside of your wrist before giving it to your baby. It should feel warm or cool, but not hot. Always use the formula within 2 hours of making it up and within 1 hour of baby starting to drink. If there is any formula left in the bottle after a feed, throw it away. Formula milk is not sterile and it can get contaminated if it is left over the recommended times. Babies have immature immune systems, so are vulnerable to infections, which are rare but can be very serious. To reduce the risk of infection, make up feeds as your baby needs them, one at a time. You may see other methods of making up formula and preparation devices. However, if they are not featured on an NHS approved website, they are not recommended. A first infant formula is the only formula your baby will need in the first year of life. Follow-on milks and hungry baby milks are not recommended. Please see the caption for more information on making up formula feeds or different formula milks.